The little bird, Pip, chirped anxiously from his nest high in the oak tree. The forest was parched. Leaves, usually vibrant green, were brittle and brown. The river, usually a sparkling ribbon, was reduced to a trickle. Even the usually boisterous squirrels were unusually quiet. A wave of heat shimmered above the dry earth. Pip's grandmother, a wise old bird with feathers the color of dried leaves, hopped closer. "Pip," she said, her voice raspy with age, "the forest suffers. We need rain." Pip, though small, understood the gravity of the situation. He'd seen the wilting flowers and heard the worried whispers of the other animals. His grandmother continued, "Pray to Allah, my dear. He hears the prayers of even the smallest creatures." Pip, clutching a small twig, closed his eyes. He hadn't prayed before, but the desperation in the forest filled him with a new kind of faith. He whispered a simple prayer, his tiny voice barely audible above the rustling leaves. "Oh Allah, please send rain. Let the trees be green again. Let the river flow. Let the forest live." He waited, his heart beating like a hummingbird's wings. At first, nothing happened. The sun beat down relentlessly. Then, a shift. A gentle breeze stirred the leaves. In the distance, a dark cloud appeared, growing larger and darker, swallowing the sun. The wind picked up, carrying the scent of rain. Fat raindrops began to fall. First a sprinkle, then a downpour. The dry earth drank greedily. The river swelled, its waters rushing with renewed life. The trees seemed to sigh with relief as the rain washed over them, restoring their vibrant green. Pip watched from his nest, his small heart overflowing with joy. His prayer had been answered. The forest, reborn, erupted in a chorus of happy sounds. The chirping of crickets, the rustling